So about a week ago, I dropped my car into Perfect Polish in Shrewsbury to have something called a Feynlab heel Lite coating put on it. And to be honest, until recently, I didn't even know you could get this done. But as soon as I found out about it, I had to have it. It's basically a self-healing ceramic coating. And it basically works with heat. So in the sun, or if you wash your car with hot water, or if you use like a hot gun, the kind of the fibers and the particles in the coating react and basically heal itself. So if you've got any kind of light scratches on it or light scuff marks or swirl marks, they will just disappear with the heat. It really is incredible. I never thought you'd be able to get anything like this for your car. It's amazing. And I'm quite lazy as well, so I don't really relish the idea of spending hours waxing and polishing my car, just because I'm really busy. Actually, no, I'm just lazy. But this now will keep my car looking pristine and in showroom condition for at least 5 years, and it's guaranteed for 5 years as well. So it's really cool. Now, when I collected it on the day, I couldn't stop smiling because it's a 2010 car, so it's 9 years old, but it looked brand new. So I'm going to put a shot on the screen now so you can see just how shiny it actually was. So it was like looking in a mirror. It was absolutely incredible. I was just blown away by it. So when I collected it, it was a very good start because, just as soon as I saw it, I was just absolutely blown away by how amazing it looked. So I've made a few bullet points, okay? Because it's actually a process that's really involved and really time consuming. So Scott at Perfect Polish said that it takes around about 40 to 45 hours to do it from start to finish. So I'm just going to go through a few of the things that he actually did before the coating was even applied, okay? So there was a citrus pre-wash and then a bucket wash. Then there was a decontamination stage where the tar was removed. There was a fallout remover, which I didn't know what this was, but apparently it removes iron oxides from the paintwork. Then there was a clay bar treatment. Then the whole car was dried with a microfiber towel and compressed air. Then the car's checked to see if there's any special areas that need attention. Then there's a heavy machine polish, and then there's a fine light machine polish, and then there's something called a jeweling stage, which I'd never heard of, and it's something that jewelers use on diamonds. So it's a very fine polish that adds clarity and gloss to the paintwork. Then any surface oil is removed. I've just glossed over it quickly there, but all of that is done before the coating is even applied to the car. Now, the coating is supposed to make the maintenance of the car really easy, and it also enhances the look of it as well. So, as I've probably already said, it looks like it's just come out of the showroom. Okay, so I wrote down some bits here as well. So basically Scott said that they apply it to each panel, and then there's an infrared light that's put on it for about 20 minutes as well. And then once the whole thing is done, it then takes about 12 to 24 hours to set, I believe. But as well, it's really important that you make sure you use like an approved detailer to do it, because they have to be specially trained. Because once the bottle's open, you've got to have done it within 3 days. And also you only get one chance to apply the coating, because Scott said that if you apply it wrong or make any kind of mistakes, you can't remove it without actually sanding the car back down to the primer. So it's really important that whoever does it knows what they're doing. So yeah, that's it, guys. I'm just going to put a quick shot on at the end now, so you can see the car. So Scott actually drove the car out of the front of Perfect Polish for me, just so I could see what it looks like. And it's like a brand new car is pulling up outside. It really is that good. It is absolutely amazing, and I highly recommend it. I'm going to put a link to Perfect Polish in the description below, so you can go on and you can have a look at the different packages they've got and stuff. But It's really, really good. Very glad I've got it done. And that's it for me. I'm going to go now. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Take care, guys. See you later. Goodbye.